Just turn it up a little bit. Listen, hear my godly flow. I speak that gospel rap. While they rapping guns, I be speaking in tongues, giving God the praise while you blaze that purple haze. You see, I come too far from these streets, corners, bars, on the blocks with heat, running from police. See, I was just like you. I've been there, hustle weed and crack. I felt like I needed that. Cash ruled everything around me. I believed in that. See, my eyes was closed, my heart was cold. You see, I sold my soul, but Christ paid and gave it back. That's what I call thug, that's what I call love. He died for the world before we knew who he was. Since I said his name, he came and changed the game. He can change your name, let him in, he'll ease that pain. If God ain't in it, it's all in vain. It's all false, it's all for nothing. When you speak in Christ, that's when you saying something. Too many dead men walking, no faith in them. Your sin is rising, but Christ is risen. It's time to face your fears, let him take your tears. Confess your fault, surrender, carry your cross. Who you worshiping, what you idling, other than God, there's none higher, man. Who you worshiping, what you idling, other than God, there's none higher, man. He walked on water and he raised the dead. Fed 5,000 with 2 fish, 5 loaves of bread. Why you don't believe? Why you shake your head? Why you think you breathe? And you're not